Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of No Sleep FX. I am your host, Tony, and today it is Monday, May 13th, and we are going to talk about today's trade on gold. Alright, so right now I'm in the replay mode, okay, and we're looking at gold on the 30-minute chart, okay, 30-minute time frame. This trade happened pre-London, so about 1 a.m. my time, and I'm gonna play the next candle so you guys can see how it went, right? So the very next candle is the signal candle, okay? And if you look in the top right over here, you can see it marks it out as soon as the signal goes. It puts us the entry. We're bearish on the 4-hour, daily is bullish, weekly is bullish, right? But we pretty much trade off the 4-hour time frame, because that's where the levels come from. And so again, it gives you the entry, stop loss, and take profits, right? So that's what I did, and that's what I used, and it goes off the previous candle, right? So the entry is about 5 pips below the previous close of this candle. And so place the stop loss, sell stop, place the sell stop, got activated, and when this trade goes into about 10 pips profit, we move to break even, right? That's the strategy. We're at break even now. There's a risk-free trade. And again, if I play the very next candle, you can see that TP is smashed for a 1-to-1. 24 pips. So I risked 24 pips to get 24 pips, right? And that's it. Just very quick. You can see how this level of interest, right? Price closed below and stayed below. So again, that's also an indication of the market's going down. You also got the EMAs crossing up here, 8 under 21 with this big bearish engulfing candle, again indicating sells. All right, and if you let it play out, you can see that throughout the day it just continued to melt. But I'm just gonna keep it short. I'm gonna show you guys the Discord group. A lot of people in the Discord group today caught the sells. That one was Seal right there. This one's me. Somebody else. Other people catching sells today, okay? And then I'll show you guys my trading journal, how I'm going so far on the challenge account. So I got 21 wins, 2 break evens, and 5 losses. Okay, I got an 80% win rate right now. Well, not too bad. That's it, guys. All right, I'm gonna keep it short. Make sure you check the links below if you want to get this indicator and join the academy. All right. Until next time, guys. Thank you.